Here we have a 2019 BMW 520i M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but they include the M Sport Plus package. We have the 19-inch alloy wheels finished in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the M Sport suspension, the Alpine white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, we have the two gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance Kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter, the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the black roof rails up top, along with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. There's a look at another alloy wheel, as you can see again unmarked. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser, a power assisted tailgate which will open if you press this button just here on the remote. As you can see, it opens just like so. And inside of here you'll find we have a decent amount of space as this vehicle is in a state, with a partial shelf at the top. Coming up here, if you press this button, it will close. Just press it properly, it will close just like so. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you'll find that we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre, we have the fixed ISO points, the blue stitching as well. We also have the electric windows on the doors, we have the premium Harman Kardon sound system. If you take a look at the front again, we've got the full leather interior. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable and heated as well. There's a look at them seats, as you can see, electrically adjustable. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, we have the electric mirrors and electric windows, the auto lights just down there, the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side. We have the digital dashboard up top, the speed limiter and the cruise control just there. We have the engine start-stop button, the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of the sat-nav. We have a range of media, DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, all the different drive modes. We have the ambient lighting, intelligent safety and much more. There's a look at the climate control and the rest of the interior. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2019 90 plate BMW 520i M Sport Touring. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you expect it to. Now as I get to the straight, you can see in the fact we're steering mode to keep it in a straight line, so you're straight into not being off to the left or to the right hand side. Now this vehicle does come with over £4,600 worth of optional extras included. And one of these optional extras is the integrated Harman Kardon multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift if we're setting the car into manual mode, and on the left hand side you can find you do have your cruise control and speed limiter. We have your digital dash just in front of me. When you go through all the different drive modes, it changes the look of the screen. So when you're in comfort, it's normally white, and when you go to sport, it is red, and Eco Pro, it then goes to blue. We have your touchscreen in the centre. We can either use a touchscreen or use the dial just down here. You can find satellite navigation, your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, and you also have your front and rear parking sensors. Now, we do have very comfortable leather seats throughout this vehicle. The two front seats are electrically adjustable and are both heated. Perfect for those cold winter mornings. With your BMW individual trim with your ambient lighting surrounding the interior of this car. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial estate where I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform a emergency stop, pop it straight into reverse, just show the brakes work exactly how you'd expect to, and you'll see pop up on the centre screen the front and rear parking sensors. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard easy brakes straight into reverse, and no issues whatsoever. You can see on the screen your front and rear parking sensors back into drive, again no issues whatsoever. Now, if I've answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around the video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team where they can answer your questions and also with a Facebook advisor view. But that's it for me. Just walk around with a bit of test drive. Hope to see from you soon. Cheers.